and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing 36-inch crochet braids. So right now guys, I'm just pretty much showing you my individual rubber band method to make your crochet braids look like you have individual braids. So all I do is part my hair down the back, and I pretty much part my hair into sections, just like you're going to cornrow your hair to the back, but instead of cornrowing your hair, we're going to pretty much take individual parts and put them into rubber bands. And every time I put a section into a rubber band, I take my hair and I twist it, as you see me doing now. And once I'm done twisting it, I take another section to part out another section to put into a rubber band, and I connect the one that I twist into the next section. So pretty much I continue to connect each section as I go back. Hopefully I explained that right, guys. I'm better with doing than explaining, but you can just pretty much watch the video and see what I'm doing to kind of get an understanding how to connect and how to put your rubber band. Okay guys, so now that I'm done, I am going to do the other side off camera, but this is how it looked once that I was done. Now you can see they look small, but you can still see the part. But yeah, I did the other side off camera, and as you can see, I did everything. And now right now I am about to put a little hair oil. I'm trying not to say Earl, y'all. But I'm about to put a little hair oil in my hair, and this hair oil is from my website, and you guys can definitely purchase that if you would like. I'll put all the information down in the description bar. Okay guys, so here is the hair, and as I stated in the beginning, this is 36 inches guys, 36 inches crochet hair. So right now we're about to get ready to crochet this hair in, and pretty much all I do is take the needle and stick it through where the rubber band is. So when you guys put your rubber bands in, you want to try not to put it too tight. To be honest with you, I think I put my rubber bands too tight, but Once you put your crochet needle in through the rubber band, you just take the hair, put it through the needle, close the needle, and pull the hair through. And once I'm done pulling the hair through, I take the ends of the hair, put it on the needle to put it through the loop. See that? I'll take the ends, put it through the loop, and pull it through. Or you could take your hands to put it through the loop and pull it tight, however you want to do it. But doing crochets is super easy. It's beginner friendly. It's not that hard to do crochet hair at all. And I know I'm saying it's not that hard because I know how to do it. But for a person that doesn't know how to do it, they'll probably look at this video like, what? She said it's easy, but yeah. So again, guys, I put the needle through and I take the loop, put it through the needle, pull the hair through. And as you see, guys, I had to kind of loosen that rubber band a little bit, but I put the needle back in the hole, take the ends, put it on the loop, close it, pull that through the hole, and pull it tight. And that's pretty much all I do. And again, I put the needle through the hole, put the hair in the loop, take the ends of it, pull the hair through, and pull it tight. And I'll pretty much be doing that throughout the rest of the video. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. Okay guys, so right now I'm pretty much finishing up with my crochet braids, my 36-inch crochet braids. This is like my last section. So after I'm done this, I'm going to go in and do my baby hairs, and I'm going to use the Eco Styling Gel to do so. And guys, I'm telling you, once I was done this, it was so neat and it was so pretty. but it was so tight. And after I definitely took these out of my hair, it was definitely, I did have a lot of strain on my baby hairs. So again, I suggest that you guys not put your rubber bands too tight when doing this style, because you can see in the beginning of my hair, like around my edges, it looks very tight. So again, I suggest not to put your rubber bands too tight. Being tight, yes, it looks neat, but if you still want to have your edges, definitely not put it tight. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to continue to finish doing my baby hairs. Okay guys, so I am going to put a lid of the strings on my hair to kind of dress it up a little bit to make it look nice, put a little jewelry on there and whatnot. But yeah, so just watch me do that. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, so here is the finished look of my soft 36-inch faux locs crochet braids. So guys, here is the finished look, and this is how long it was. I know you guys can't really see it because I have a black dress on. I don't know why I put a black dress on, but yeah, it went all the way past my butt. Mind you guys, I'm only 5'2", so they were pretty long. And on top of being pretty long, guys, they were pretty heavy. I believe I used about 6 packs of hair. I'm not 100% sure, but I will put everything down in the description bar. Again, guys, these braids were super duper heavy. Like taking a shower, sleeping with these things was definitely tough. But overall, I definitely enjoyed doing this style, and I enjoy wearing this style. But before I leave you guys, definitely hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video.